Hello students, so let us discuss next derivation, that is the derivation of an expression for discharge through an orifice meter. Okay, so in the previous video we have discussed about the venturi meter. Now discuss at the orifice meter. You can clearly see here also. So flow direction, this is section 11, this is section 22. Okay, section 11 has a larger diameter and section 22 has this lesser diameter, and this x is shown here. Okay, so as usual, let d1 and d2 are the diameter at section 1 and 2 respectively. v1 and v2 are the velocity at section 1 and 2 respectively. p1 and p2 are the pressures at the section 1 and 2 respectively. Now applying the Bernoulli's equation, same formula for the at the sections 1 and 2 yields p1 over rho g plus v1 square divided by 2g plus z1 equal to p2 divided by rho g plus v2 square divided by 2g plus z2. Okay, so you should remember here p1 divided by rho g is called the pressure head, v1 square divided by 2g is called velocity head or kinetic head, and z1 is called potential head or datum head. Okay, so after simplification and rearranging, so I will get like this here. So after simplification and rearranging, just rearrange it and write like this here. But p1 over rho g plus z1 minus p2 over rho g plus z2 equal to h, differential head. Okay, so in place of that I can write, in place of this value I can write h. Okay, it's called differential head. Therefore h is nothing but equal to, so I can rewrite it here. H is equal to v2 square divided by 2g minus v1 square divided by 2g, or that is r 2gh, or 2gh is nothing but v2 square minus v1 square, or v2 is nothing but under square root of 2gh plus v1 square. So this is equation number 1. Now at the section 2, the A2 represents the area of the vena contracta. Also, if A0 is the area of the orifice, so therefore I can use this terminology called CC, that is coefficient of contraction, is given by A2 divided by A0. A2 divided by A0. A2 is nothing but the area at the section 2, and AO is the area of the contraction. Contraction means this here. So narrow, this is contraction area, this is contraction area. Really, this one is a contraction, this is contraction, because when the water suddenly you can see that cross section is slowly reducing, this point is called contraction. So therefore use this formula, that is CC, that is coefficient of the contraction, is equal to A2 divided by A0. But from here A2 I can write A0 into CC, equation number 2. And also we know that continuity equation A1 VQ capital Q equal to A1 V1 equal to A2 V2, or V1 is equal to A2 V2 divided by A1. But in place of A2 I can replace this one. In place of A2 I will replace this value, that is A0 CC. Okay, now substituting the equation 3 for, that is the V1 value into equation 1. Okay, wherever one v1 is there, you will substitute this value. After substituting, we will get the result like this here. v2 is equal to 2gh plus a0 square plus cc square plus v2 square divided by a1 square. So after simplification and rearranging, taking the square root outside, v2 square is equal to 2gh plus a0 square plus a1 square cc square plus v2 square. After further simplification, after just use the simplification here, after further simplification I can write it as v2 is nothing but under square root of 2gh under square root of 1 minus a0 divided by a1 whole square cc square. Okay, but the discharge q is equal to v2 a2 is equal to v2 into a0 cc, where from equation 2, okay, we have taken equation 2 for a2. Okay, now here discharge is given here, so in place of v2 I can replace this value here. So therefore q is equal to a0 into cc. In place of v2 I will replace this one, in place of v2 here I will replace this one. Okay, therefore for The above expression is simplified by using, okay, so you have to simplify it here. Therefore CD is equal to CC into under square root of 1 minus A0 square divided by A1 square, A1 whole square divided by under square root of 1 minus A0 square A1 whole square into CC square, okay. Therefore from here we'll get the CC value. CC is nothing but just change this one here. So CD into this will go up and this will go below, okay. So therefore CC is equal to this value. Finally substituting the value, this value of CC in equation number 4, this is where CC is there, I will replace this this value. Therefore CC is nothing but Q is equal to, simplify it, rearrange it and simplify it. So here this gets cancelled, this and this gets cancelled here, okay, and the remaining will be, so CD into A naught into under square root of 2GH divided by under square root of 1 minus A0 divided by A1 whole square. So after simplification we will get this value, okay, equation number 5, okay. So this the equation number 5 is known as the discharge of orifice meter. Then this is used for solving the problems. Thank you.